All right, this is the 2019 BMW M5 Performance. So we gotta grab it. This is a white satin ghost from 3M. Really easy to take those. I got a video. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble back doors. So you have got to install this one first with the screw that goes this way. If you see this angle, it goes like this. And this, the handle, the goes straight like this. So I installed this one already. Now, if you look inside, you will see that screw is counterwise. So if I tighten it up, it goes out. And if I loosen up, this is with the T15. Let me focus in here. So T15, I am now loosening up. Loosening up, it goes in, right? Now, if I tighten it up, it goes out, right? All right, now what you want to see is now this hole is the one that you got to get in there, right? So I got to take I'm going to put it back in, tighten it up, loosen it up. I'm going to take my tool out. I'm going to get this one in, all the way in. Now I'm going to get my screw driver, get it in, found the screw, and now loosen it, tighten it up. I got it. Tighten it up. Nice tight. And like I say on the other video, you need this kind of head. All right. So this kind of head, 15. So this is a slim head, right? This is a slim. Now, if you got a 15, this is 15 also. But if you got a 15. This way it will not work, because it's more fat, it will not go in. So you need a slimmer head. And we got just assemble it, and the door handle works back again. Got the lights and everything. Lock it for a moment. Well, it doesn't lock me. So I grabbed this door handle, so I disassembled this piece separate from this piece. So what you got to do is found under this a screw right there. So you take it off that screw and pop it up this piece first, and this other one slide out. Now we assemble it back. We deal with all those cables and everything. Now it's ready to put it back. Now the first thing to do here, because we wrap the car, we take the seal here. Now we are going to put this back, and well, I don't need to put this one first, so I could go straight and put this one in here. You got this screw that is T25. So you got this one T25 with the screwdriver here. So I'm going to put it in here, and you see the angle. It's not straight like this, it's like that. So if you look at me here, it has the hole in here. So I'm going to get the hole like this, not like that. So you gotta find it out. The screw head here, I touching it with my hand. Okay, I got it right now. So I know what is the angle. I'm going to insert this piece of plastic or the seal. I'm going to insert it first here, right? And then I'm going to push a little bit my screw and start wiggling to get this screw. Screwing out a little bit, Now I'm going to start screwing back in. All right, now it's tight. I tighten it up really well. Now I'm going to change my bit for a bit that it is 15. So this one is a slim head. So this one is a slim and this is fat. So you need a slim. See, this is 25, this is 15. And I got this other 15. So this is 15, but the head it is fat, so it doesn't work. This one doesn't work, it has to be slim. So I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to insert it on the same hole, but this time I got to go straight. And you will see here, if you zoom in, you will see here my bead coming in right there. Oh man, I don't know where it's at now. All right there. So, and I found a screw there. So if I got a screw and if I tied it up, this is coming out, right? This is coming out, right? That is going to lock the door handle in place. Now I'm going to screw it back in with unit screw in it. You know, it is counterwise. So I'm going to get my bead right there so I don't lose the hole. Now well, I'm going to put it back in just for now, but I'm going to start connecting the cables now. So I'm going to get the cables out of the car here. Get all the cables here. Here. Okay, I got all my cables. Now I'm going to start with the big one and snap it in. Now this other one, figure out where is the right way. This is the lock, the clip. So I got a clip here. I put it on place, and everything is ready. Everything is ready. I put everything back in, go all the way in, and then this one goes in. Before it goes in, I'm going to watch for my tool, and then I'm going to take it off out a little bit, not out of the way, so I don't lose the hole. Then I put this one in, get my tool back in to find the screw, push this one a little bit, and then I'm going to tighten it in so the screws come out and get in the hole of the door handle, locking it up. All right, now it's good. Got my tools out, and this is working back. Okay? So I got it like this. Now it's working perfect. All right. Now I have to put the seal on the hole, and that completes the whole process. Okay, that's it.